India and China, only two nations on planet Earth with over a billion population. India and China share several similarities, including ancient and influential cultures, large populations, strong family values, and a history of both agricultural and now rapidly growing economies. In today's video, we will predict the future of both the countries and will see that where these two countries will stand in 2050. Let's start the video. India will remain the most populous country on planet Earth even in 2050. China will remain the second most populous country on planet Earth, but the population of China will decline by 40 million by 2050. India will be one of the most densely populated country on planet Earth with population density of almost 500 people per kilometer square. Population density of China will be also higher at 150 people per kilometer square. There are total 28 states in India and 23 provinces in China. India will most probably annex Pakistan-occupied Kashmir by 2040. It will be the 29th state of India. China will most probably annex Taiwan by 2035. Taiwan will become an independent state of China. It will be the richest state of China. Average Indian will be 38 years old in 2050 compared to 28 years today. Average Chinese will be almost 46 years old in 2050. Aging population will be a big concern for both the nations. There will be more men than women in both the countries even in 2050. Fertility rate will drastically decline in both the nations in the upcoming 25 years. Population will start to decline rapidly in both the countries. Population decline and aging population could most probably affect economy of both the nations by 2050. Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata will be the most populous cities of India in 2050. Whereas Shanghai, Beijing and Chongqing will be the most populous cities of China. China will become the largest economy of the world by 2050, surpassing US economy. India will be the third largest economy of the world in 2050, just behind US and China. Nominal GDP of China will be whopping 46 trillion USD. Nominal GDP of India will be 29 trillion US dollars. India will become the second largest economy of the world in terms of purchasing power parity, surpassing United States. GDP PPP of China will be almost 60 trillion USD by 2050. Average Chinese will earn almost double of average Indian in 2050. Per capita income will significantly increase in both the countries, especially in India. Even after adjusting purchasing power parity, average Chinese will earn 1.5 times of average Indian citizen. Literacy rate will significantly increase in both the nations, especially in India. Literacy rate of India will increase from 78% today to 94% by 2050. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat will be the trillion-dollar states of India by 2050. Whereas Guangdong, Jiangsu and Shandong will be the richest provinces of China. Poverty rate will significantly decline in both the countries by 2050, especially in India. Hinduism will remain the most followed religion of India, followed by Islam. Islam will rise in India from 15% today to 18% by 2050. Buddhism will remain the most followed religion of China, followed by Taoism. Atheism will significantly increase in China. Both the countries will be home to thousands of billionaires. China will have most number of billionaires in the world in 2050. Indian military will be the third strongest military of the world by 2050. China will become the strongest military of the world by 2050. Chinese and US military will have neck-to-neck fight for first spot. Indian army will be the largest standing army in the world with whopping 7 million plus soldiers. Defense budget of China will be almost 1 trillion USD. India will also spend more than half trillion USD on defense spending. Both the countries will have thousands of nuclear weapons by 2050. Both India and China will produce own-made aircraft carriers by 2050. Almost 100% residents of both the countries will have access to electricity. Unemployment rate will increase initially in both the nations, but it will get back to normal by 2070s. Forest area will significantly decline on global level by 2050. China will still remain greener than India. Both the countries will spend heavily on infrastructure in the upcoming decades. India will get its first high-speed train by 2026 and will most probably have large high-speed train network by 2040s. China already has huge high-speed train network which is expanding day by day. China is planning to build hundreds of megacities by 2050. Both India and China are eyeing on various space missions in future, such as landing first human on moon from their respective countries, lunar exploration, building their own space stations, and Mars missions. Human Development Index of India will significantly increase, but it will still remain lower than China, even in 2050. Life expectancy of India will increase significantly. Average Chinese will live 4 years longer than average Indian in 2050. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.